In this video, we're diving into how to use Tenable to identify ransomware threats, a crucial part of your cybersecurity strategy. Stick with me till the end because I'm going to show you not just how Tenable helps, but also how you can use it completely free with some exclusive bonuses. Tenable is a powerful tool that helps you detect and manage vulnerabilities in your system before they're exploited by ransomware. With ransomware attacks on the rise, knowing how to prevent these threats is more important than ever. Let's get right into it. First, you'll want to use Tenable's vulnerability scanning feature. This lets you scan your entire network for weaknesses. Tenable will identify potential entry points for ransomware, like outdated software or misconfigured systems. This step gives you a comprehensive overview of your infrastructure's security health. Make sure you run these scans regularly for continuous protection. Next thing, you can leverage Tenable's deep integration with network monitoring tools. By enabling continuous monitoring, you'll be alerted to any suspicious activities, which could be an early sign of ransomware trying to infiltrate. Ransomware often moves quietly through systems before it fully activates, and these early warning signs are critical for quick action. The third thing is to use Tenable's asset prioritization. Ransomware often targets your most critical systems. By prioritizing assets, Tenable helps you focus your attention on the areas most at risk. You'll see what needs patching first and what's most vulnerable. The sooner you can fix high-priority vulnerabilities, the less chance ransomware has to succeed. Then, Tenable's advanced threat intelligence integration is key. It pulls in real-time data on the latest ransomware tactics, techniques, and procedures from global threat feeds. This allows Tenable to keep its scans up to date with the latest ransomware trends. As new strains of ransomware emerge, Tenable adapts to give you the most current protection. It's like having an automated cybersecurity team watching over your network 24/7. Next, make use of Tenable's comprehensive reporting. After you've run a scan and gathered insights, Tenable provides clear, actionable reports. These reports not only show the vulnerabilities, but also give specific recommendations on how to fix them. By addressing these vulnerabilities, you can effectively lower the risk of ransomware taking hold. Now, for the most important part. You can start using Tenable right now for free, thanks to the exclusive link in the description below. Not only will you get a free trial, but you'll also unlock some extended bonuses to maximize your protection. To sum it up, Tenable gives you the tools to identify ransomware threats and fortify your defenses before a breach can happen. If you haven't tried it yet, use the link below to get started with your free trial today and protect your network from ransomware attacks.